10 basics of joining Perfectly Posh. Have you ever wanted to work from home? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about 10 basics of joining Perfectly Posh. Stay tuned to the end of the video to get your invitation to our Posh Opportunity event. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emery Jackman. I'm the team leader of my Perfectly Posh team, Posh M Up. And I'm here to talk about joining my team. It's super fun to work from home and have your own business, and you get to work it how you'd like to work it and when you want to work it. Now, I work 4 jobs. I'm a busy gal, and so I love my business because I get to do it how I want to do it. I am my own boss with Posh. That rolls right in to number 1. You can fit Posh into your life. You really can. The way the program is run is so flexible and it's very unique. Perfectly Posh is a great business and they want their consultants to be successful. And let's face it, life happens and everyone's life is different. Everyone's situation is different and you can fit Posh into your life. Here's a perfect example. My little boy just popped in the room to say hi. And mom's in here working, making a video, and he wanted to show me his new shirt. Working away at home with my little guy. Oh, you gonna show me your new shirt? Oh, so cool, man. That's okay. Number 2, sharing Posh can be fun and easy. It's so fun to share all these wonderful skincare products. They're good for your skin. They smell amazing. Everyone can use them. There's a huge variety of products to choose from. So there's something for everybody. And it is so fun to share these great products that you love with your friends and family and new people that you meet. Number 3, everyone can party and everyone loves to party. Now, you don't have to call it a party. You can have spa events, pampering events, you can do facial events, you can do pedicure events. I've done those and they're really fun, especially in the spring and summer. Everyone loves to come over, have a girls' night, scrub their feet, and they feel fantastic for the summer and look nice in your sandals. Everyone can party. You can party online. You can set up your customers their own shopping link and they can tell all their friends and they can do the partying without you. Everyone loves to party and to get together with their friends and everyone can do it. Number 4, our Posh core catalog has all the information in it you could ever need. So you don't have to know everything. Everything you would need to know, any questions you might get, will be in your catalog. We call this our Posh paper, and it's like a great magazine full of the products and the prices and information and how to use them. Number 5, if you like to go on trips, how about going on trips for free? Perfectly Posh has a few incentive trips throughout the year, and we have ways to earn the trips for free. Number 6, free training for everyone. Like I said, you don't need to know everything. When you join, Perfectly Posh has a starter program that's really simple to do. It's just a series of short videos that you can watch and to help you get started with your Posh business. Now, none of it is required and you don't have to do the trainings if you don't want to, but they're available for you for free. Number 7, do you have any questions for me so far? If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or contact me, emeryposh@yahoo.com. That's my email. Number 8, getting paid. We all need money to live in this life. We all have bills and we all need money. So at Perfectly Posh, you really can get paid. There are several different ways that we get paid, and there are different ranks that you can rank up and earn even more money. But to start off, you get 20% commission off of all your sales. even your own orders. Number 9, when you join my Perfectly Posh team, I will be your leader and your supporter and your cheerleader, and you will be part of a really fun, supportive team. We help lift each other up, and we're very full of positivity and fun, and we get to know each other and really become friends, and it's a great group of women to be a part of and feel like you belong somewhere. At least that's what happened to me when I joined. Number 10, the kit. So all you have to do to become a Posh consultant is go to emeryposh.com, sign up to be a consultant, and you buy the kit. That's $99. That $99 kit comes with products and business tools like the Posh paper and all kinds of everything you would possibly need to get you started. And it's worth over $200 of products and tools for you. You automatically get a free website. As soon as you buy that kit, you are a consultant with your own website, and people can start placing orders from you right away. It's so risk-free because we are not required to order anything ever again after we buy that kit. We do get paid on a PoshPay debit card, and you do need to activate that card, and it's like $7 and something cents a year just to activate that card. But you are never required to carry any inventory or make any other purchases ever if you don't want to. And there are no monthly minimal requirement selling fees at all. The only requirement to keep you an active consultant at Perfectly Posh is to have a total of $300 in sales every 6 months. And when you join that first 6 months period, you're exempt. So you have a lot of time to build that up. And honestly, that is such a small amount. I can spend $300 in 6 months on just my own products using for myself and buying for gifts for other people. So if you've ever wanted to work from home, I'd love to have you on my team. You will have full support and a big welcoming when you join at emeryposh.com. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I love talking Posh. I could talk about it all day. Our great skincare products are really a pampering experience, and they're good for your skin. Everyone deserves to be pampered. We need to fill up our own cups because no one else is going to do it. Posh makes amazing gifts, and everyone always has some kind of event or birthday or some reason to give someone a gift. I have had a blast in my Posh business, and I've been doing this for 2.5 years. So what are you waiting for? Let's get you started and get you making some extra money. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you know someone who would be interested in doing something like this, just click that little share and share this video with them. Subscribe to my channel if you're new so you don't miss any more Emery Posh videos. Oh, and before I forget, the April kit, the $99 kit, in April, it comes with 3 extra products, which is a $49 value. So that bumps up your $99 kit to at least $250 worth. That is so amazing. Snatch that kit. I can't wait to talk to you. Happy day.